Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to edit cookie preferences on the Pinterest.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device and tap on the home button at the top of the screen, and after that you should click on the Your Profile button in the upper right corner of the screen, and then tap on Edit Profile. After that, tap on this Privacy and Data section in the left side column of the screen. Then you should go or scroll down to the Cookie Preferences section and tap on this Edit button next to it. Here you can turn on personalization, analytics, and marketing. And when you are done with selecting all of those options that you want to select and turn on, all you have to do is tapping on the save button down below to update this section. As you can see, your cookie preferences have been saved. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.